Welcome back. Let's be blunt. For many remote freelancers, your schedule is, well, broken. You know the feeling. The weight of endless to-do lists, days that feel chaotic and overwhelming, missed deadlines, or constantly rushing to meet them. You start the day with good intentions, but somehow it slips away, filled with interruptions and unplanned tasks. You're left feeling frustrated and less productive than you know you can be. Why does this happen? Often, it's because you're working without a clear map of your day, segmented into actionable blocks. You might rely on intuition or sporadic planning, trying to capture ideas on sticky notes or manually scroll through a calendar without a systematic approach. This leads to fragmented routines and missed opportunities for deep, focused work. Perhaps you're trying to fit into a rigid schedule that doesn't reflect your natural energy levels. You might be working hard during times when your energy is low without even realizing it, while your peak creative hours are being wasted on administrative tasks or fighting distractions. Without real data on how your day unfolds and where your energy lies, how can you possibly optimize your schedule? The constant digital barrage doesn't help. Emails, notifications, and other apps keep you in a state of constant reactivity, pulling you in many directions at once. This unstructured way of working leads to burnout and an ever-growing list that seems insurmountable. But here's the good news. Your schedule isn't permanently broken. It just needs to be rebuilt, designed specifically for you and your remote freelance lifestyle. Fixing your broken schedule requires understanding your unique work style and natural rhythms. It involves mapping out your day into clear segments and analyzing your work patterns to see where your peak productivity truly lies. It's about conducting an energy audit, categorizing your tasks, and using that information to design a routine that aligns tasks with your natural energy peaks and recovery moments. This means creating a core structure with dedicated blocks for deep work during your high-energy times, scheduling lighter tasks for lower-energy periods, and even building in time for personal care to recharge. And crucially, a fixed schedule will always break. A healthy freelance schedule needs flexibility, room for buffer time, adjustable task blocks, and the ability to pivot when the unexpected happens. It's about transforming your daily routine into a ritualistic, purposeful tempo that nurtures both productivity and well-being. It's not about replicating someone else's routine. It's about testing, tweaking, and refining a schedule that works seamlessly with how you work best. If you're tired of the chaos, the missed deadlines, and the feeling that your workday is out of your control, it's time to admit your schedule is broken and learn how to build one that is resilient, efficient, and truly supports your freelance life. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to stop wrestling with a broken schedule and start crafting a routine that actually works for you, I've linked a more detailed video below on mapping and fixing your daily routines. And for the complete framework and tools to build your personalized, high-performing freelance schedule, check out the link to the full course. And don't forget to hit the like button, share this information with anyone who might benefit, and subscribe to the channel today for being among the first ones to learn about the strategies.